Have you ever found yourself head over heels for someone, but unsure of how to make them feel the same way? It can be a daunting task, trying to navigate the murky waters of love and attraction. But fear not, for I have compiled a list of 10 clever tricks to make your crush fall in love with you. First and foremost, be yourself. Authenticity is key when it comes to forming a genuine connection with someone. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to disappointment in the long run. So embrace your quirks and imperfections and let your true self shine through. Next, show genuine interest in your crush. Ask them about their day, their interests, and their dreams. Listen attentively to what they have to say and make them feel like their thoughts and feelings truly matter to you. Compliments can go a long way in winning someone's heart. Be sincere in your praise and make sure to highlight the things you genuinely admire about your crush, whether it's their sense of humor, their intelligence, or their kindness. Let them know how much you appreciate those qualities. Small gestures can also make a big impact, whether it's bringing them their favorite coffee, surprising them with a thoughtful gift, or simply sending a sweet text to brighten their day. Showing that you care in little ways can help to build a strong bond between you. Humor is another powerful tool when it comes to winning someone over. Laughter is a universal language, and sharing a joke or a funny story can help to break the ice and create a sense of connection between you and your crush. Confidence is attractive, so don't be afraid to show your crush that you believe in yourself and your abilities. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and exude self-assurance in everything you do. Confidence is contagious, and your crush will be drawn to your positive energy. Creating opportunities to spend time together is crucial in building a relationship with your crush. Whether it's inviting them to join you for a coffee, suggesting a fun activity to do together, or simply asking them to hang out, finding ways to be in each other's company will help to deepen your connection. Remember to be patient and give your crush the time and space they need to develop their feelings for you. Love doesn't happen overnight, so don't rush things or try to force a relationship to happen before it's ready. Trust that if the connection is meant to be, it will blossom in its own time. Lastly, be open and honest with your crush about your feelings. Communication is key in any relationship, so don't be afraid to share your thoughts and emotions with them. Let them know how much they mean to you, and be willing to listen to their own feelings in return. In conclusion, winning over your crush may seem like a daunting task, but with a little bit of effort and a lot of heart, you can make it happen. By being yourself, showing genuine interest, giving compliments, making small gestures, sharing humor, exuding confidence, creating opportunities to spend time together, being patient, and communicating openly and honestly, you can pave the way for a deep and meaningful connection with the object of your affection. Love is a beautiful and mysterious thing, so don't be afraid to take a chance and see where it leads. Who knows, your crush may just fall head over heels for you in return.